The kind of experience that I want them to have is a well-rounded education wherein they know how to use instruments such as what we have in the labs. I want them to have a solid background with good fundamentals such that once they go into the industry, they can think independently and work independently on any project that is given to them in plastics.
Honestly, I feel like I walked in knowing not much about plastics. Like, you see your plastic parts every day, but this has really given me a solid background on how plastic parts are made, how you go into material selection, like what's different between all the plastic you see.
In order to change the material, we have to study it. Plastics are not going anywhere, and so we have to make them more sustainable for the future.
Sustainability is the driver in plastics right now. There's research going on, but also a lot of sustainability aspects are used in the education itself. So we teach that in the classroom. We have a class dedicated towards sustainability of polymers just by itself.
One research project that I worked on was enzymatic recycling of polyethylene terephthalate. So that's the plastic that is used in water bottles. And so we fed this plastic to an enzyme, and basically it broke it down into the monomer units that makes up the polymer.
So I've been on two internships/co-ops. My first one was an internship at Pfizer, and I worked with the packaging team about their net zero goals, which was looking at more sustainable resins.
We learn how to synthesize different materials, which is an important part of plastics engineering, and we've learned how to synthesize PLA, which is a compostable polymer.
We have a strong alumni support, strong connections with the alumni, strong connections with the industry, and the machines that we have in the department are basically given to us latest and greatest by the industry that the students can work on.
So we do a lot of company tours, looking at our local companies, seeing how plastic alums are working in the field and kind of getting that actual experience to see where you might want to work. And it's honestly been super great.
Don't let the name plastics engineering sway you away from this type of engineering, because you can be involved in sustainability and it's going to be extremely important for the future.